Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Okay students, let us go to the problem of discrete random variable. Okay, here in this problem a random variable x has the following probability function. Okay, find the value of k, mean, variance, probability when x is greater than or equal to 3, probability when 1 is less than, strictly less than, capital X is less than or equal to 5. Probability distribution table is given as x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and probability of x. Probability of 1 is k, probability of 2 is 3k, probability of 3 is 5k, p of 4 is 7k, p of 5 is 9k, p of 6 is 11k. Then find the value of k, mean, variance, probability when x greater than or equal to 3, probability when 1 is less than, strictly less than, x less than or equal to 5. Okay, let us solve this problem. Okay, we have to find the value of k. We know that total probability is 1. Therefore, here total probability is k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus vk. That is sigma I is equal to 1 to n p of xi. Okay, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, p of x1, p of x2, p of x3, p of x4, p of x5, p of x6. Summation of their probabilities, that is summation of sigma I is equal to 1 to n p of xi is equal to 1. That is k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k is equal to 1. That is 36k is equal to 1. Therefore k value is 1 by 6. Therefore I have find the value of k. It is 1 by 36. Now let us find mean. The second problem is mean. Okay, what is the formula for mu? Mean sigma x into p of x. Okay, that is 1 into k plus 2 into 3k plus 3 into 5k plus 4 into 7k plus 5 into 9k plus 6 into 11k. 1 into k means 1 by 36. 1 by 36 plus 2 into 3k means 3 by 36. 3 by 36. Okay, plus 3 into 5k, 5 by 36, plus 4 into 7k, k means 1 by 36, plus 5 into 9k, 9 by 36, plus 6 into 11k. Okay, 11 by 36. Okay, on calculating this value we will get 4.46. Therefore mean is 4.46. Now let us find out variance. variance is given by sigma x square p of x minus e of x square, e of x whole square. Okay, this is nothing but e of x square minus e of x whole square. Okay, now let us first we find out the value of e of x square and subtract e of x whole square from it. Okay, e of x square, that is summation of x square p of x minus e of x whole square, that is 4.46 whole square. Okay, now sigma x square p of x means 1 square into k plus 2 square into 3k plus 3 square into 5k plus 4 square into 7k plus 5 square into 9k plus 6 square into 11k. Okay, 1 square into k, that is 1 by 36 plus 2 square into 3 by 36 plus 3 square into 5 by 36 plus 4 square into 1 by 36 plus 5 square into 9 by 36 plus 6 square into 11 by 36 minus 4.46 whole square, and calculating this value we will get 2.08. Now fourth problem is probability when x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, that is p of x is equal to 3, probability of x is equal to 4, probability of x is equal to 5, probability of x is equal to 6. Okay, that is probability when x is equal to 3 5k, probability when x is equal to 4 is 7k, probability when x is equal to 3 is 5k, probability when x is equal to 4 is 7k, probability of 5 is 9k, probability of 6 is 11k. That is 5k plus 7k, 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k. 5 into 1 by 36, 5 into 1 by 36 plus 7 into 1 by 36 plus 9 into 1 by 9 by 36, 5 into 9 by 36 plus 6 into 11 by 36. Okay, this value is 8 by 9. Now let us find out probability when 1 is strictly less than x less than or equal to 5. Okay, that is probability when x is equal to 2 plus probability when x is equal to 3 plus probability when x is equal to 4 plus probability when x is equal to 5. Okay, this will be 2 by 3. Solve it. 2 by 3. P of x is equal to 2 means 3k. 3 means 5k and p of x is equal to 4 is 7k, p of x is equal to 5 is 9k. Okay, 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k. Replace k with 1 by 36, then we will get 2 by 3 as solution. Okay.